noticed that Brett's nipple thing finally passed?
It's got a lot more views than mine.
Your nipple thing?
No, you know. It's a new nipple thing.
Brett's nipple thing has a lot more views than your nipple thing.
His nipples have more views than my butt. Yeah. It's too small.
Okay, they're in.
Are they?
Yeah, they're in.
We don't put the
position.
flour in yet.
You said it, that's it.
There you
That
go.
was ruining the
Problems,
video.
the flowers together. Problems together. The problems together.
What is a problem?
It smells like melted Brussels sprouts.
Oh,
My food, and you
Oh
have
my
Brussels
God!
sprouts.
The glue is just leaking everywhere.
Oh my God. Why do you have my food?
Steering it for you.
Yeah, Leave my cauliflower and shit alone.
God, it's going everywhere.
Hi, Joe.
Hello.
So, what do you have going on over here on the stove?
Oh, that's hot.
Duh, it's
I don't know.
gonna affect away.
Shut your cake. Hey, Lisa. Go out there and start that weed.
No.
Honey oat bread. We can't do it. We need you to do it.
Honey goat bread.
No! I'm not touch this.
It's a knife. Juice? No, Spencer Stroud. I was about to say, did you fart?
That's my fault.
Are you a retarded goat?
Look how delicious it looks.
What is it?
It's bread for the 5th time.
It looks like a worm.
Most bread does.
That reminds me of the movie Riddick. You know, where they're splitting open the bugs.
I don't know, try it.
That's what it looks like. I'm
Or
sorry.
freshly cut grass.
There's John painting the darker blue wall.
Painting the dark side. And myself.
And there's Ashley on the lighter blue side, which
Looks white.
looks white through the camera.
It's actually blue.
At least it's not like white light.
Yeah. Well, it's gonna need a couple coats because you can still see me.
I don't mind.
I know, because it's dark. You have, like, adolescent boy with paint. Mine's baby blue paint.
This at some point is the new studio.
When we're done getting inhalation juice paint.
Yes, which we will give you a tour when it's done.
What are you doing, Phoenix? Hey.
Thanks.
What's your problem? What's your problem?
He's like, I just had a bath.
Cookie.
I'm wet and I want to go
Eat your
outside.
Cookie.
Phoenix, what you got in your mouth?
He's trying to eat it. Either that or just swallow it whole.
I thought he was gonna swallow it whole.
Getting a little slobbery in the mouth there.
Want it?
Eat it. You gonna do it now? It's like, hey, put that back on the floor. That's mine.
Daddy's gonna get it. He's like, I'm camera shy. I don't like this.
That's mine.
Said,
I did this. He just sticks it into his mouth.
he's gonna put it in his mouth further so I can't pull it out.
But you're not going outside to eat the biscuit. You just had a trip. You just had a bath.
Just eat it in here.
You're gonna get dizzy from walking in circles so much.
I'm sure Joe's gonna get dizzy just from watching this.
No.
Anyways, say hi.
What do you want?
For my dog to eat his treat.
Sit. Okay.
Hello.
Joe had an eyelash in his eyeball.
Sit. Still bothering me.
Sit down.
Sit down. Are you gonna eat it or not?
When I let him outside, he will.
Dune, what'd you do?
I stepped on his ball slightly. He's like, I got you, bitch. What? What? I ain't helping you. Get down. Good daddy. He's like, I'm getting tired. Oh! Still kind of wet.
You'll wake up Randy.
You know what, Grandpa, then you're not gonna be happy. You gotta be quiet. Grandpa's sleeping.
Okay, it's recording. Hold on. You can get a steady shot on it. And the explosion is killing the rest of us.